Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up, we got this 2005 single cab Silverado. Customers already got it lowered some on 22s. This one's in for a reckless underbed notch. So we'll set up the camera and we'll get this one knocked out. Looks like an old county truck. Alright, this is where we're at. Next step, I'll cover the window, cover the gas tank. We'll take the notches, slip them over so we can clean up the frame. And once I clean the frame up, I'll slide them on and start welding. Get this thing out of here. Hit me up. You need notches or you need anything welded in, drops, lift kits. Need anything done, let me know. Playing catch up this week. And then it's full steam back on the Tahoe to finish it. I have just posted my latest, last week, just posted the latest update on it. So go check it out. All set up, ready to weld. Everything's all cleaned up, prepped, and ready to go. Take a short little break, come out and start knocking it out. Old county truck's getting a new life. They've already got hangers and shackles on it. Plates are prepped. It's lunchtime. Come back after lunch, weld these in, paint it, reassemble the truck. And then it's time to cut the bed support, put it on, and let this customer know to come get it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like watching these videos. Got more coming. Finishing this one up. Might start working on this one. Maybe I'll get it running so we can go out and drive it around. It's been a while. All right, there it is, all welded up. You weld them everywhere. Underneath, top, bottom. Like I said, bring them to me. I'll weld your notches up. Now to cover them up with some paint. Once I paint them, we'll put all the wires and everything back together, the wheels on, uncover the back window, get the truck set up. I'll pull the bed back, stand it up, and we'll go ahead and cut that support bar. Everything's back together and painted. Here's a closer up view. Got the bed up. I like to put something down to protect the paint so it don't chip or nothing. But next we'll mark this bar, cut it out. Throw a little paint on it, put the bed on, and bye-bye. All right, there it is, all done, back together. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.